Hey guys, Dangle Nerd here. Um, After work, so I thought I would nerd out about the Lansky knife sharpener that I just got. Um, I was waiting for the second part of my delivery, and it has a little pedestal or stand, and it's like the super fine ceramic honing stone. But that came in Sunday, but it was after I left for San Antonio at 5 o'clock, so it's at my house in Dallas. But I wanted to sharpen my what is that? The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops knife. So it's not that sharp. I've been using it quite a bit to open boxes and cut random things. So I thought I've practiced enough with, my wife's kitchen knives. So I think I'll go ahead and sharpen this one. I forgot to turn off the time-lapse feature on my iPhone while I was recording it, so I'm using the slow-mo so you can see the the paper cutting test. So it's definitely much sharper, so I'm satisfied with that. And then I figured I might as well sharpen some of my knives that I have in the apartment. So this is just I don't know, it's a cheap set that I got at Walmart when I moved into this apartment. So it's a cheap paring knife. Now I have this bad boy. It's dull. This thing is, it's like a butter knife. Can't even cut the paper. So I sharpen the blade in halves because it's so long. So I did the back half, and then I switched to the front half. That seemed to work. So there you have it. I'm pretty satisfied. I think I could make it sharper, but it's good enough for these cheap knives. And then this is my kit. I just cut the lid off of the Lansky kit so I can fit it into my art box. I've had this art box since 1988 when I was an art student in college. So finally get some use out of it. Well, that's about all I have. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I will see you in the next video.